Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 18th March 2024. In this video, I will generate bullish and bearish trade setups for short-term income trades. That is daily income trade and hourly income trade. At the end of the video, I will also generate stop buffers for all the income trades for your reference purpose. Even before that, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available in a playlist supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page until you see lesson 1.1. So here from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen our skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone, top-down analysis strategy builder. So the first report we are going to generate a bullish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, your entry time frame is 15 minutes. That is a lower time frame. So that's why entry time frame is 15 minutes and entry zone should be demand zone. And in this parameter, bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, for 15 minutes time frame, you need to select bullish. And we will also set some filters, 3 filters. The first filter is we don't want to trade pierced zones. That's why we don't want pierced zones. Look into this last parameter, pierced count in this space. So here in 15 minutes, the minimum value, maximum value, I am setting 0. That means we want only pierced count 0. Pierced count 0 indicates the zone is not pierced. And apart from that, we focus 2 parameters. One is zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. Those zones only we will trade. At least we have guarantee, minimum guarantee. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. It should be 12. If it is a sideways setup, it can be 11. But ours is not sideways setup. Ours is a trending, that is bullish or bearish setup. So minimum value should be 12. Now let us generate the report. We got only one stock filtered, satisfying all these parameters. So you need to look into the demand zone, but it is already tested. The reason is it is a high liquidity demand zone, 15 minutes demand zone. Okay. So we identified only one stock. Now let's go back to next report generation. So next one is a bearish trade setup for daily income trade. So entry time frame should be 15 minutes. Entry zone should be supply zone. Next, in bullish or bearish trade setup at 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And we don't want pierced zones. So I am setting the pierced count for 15 minutes, minimum value 0 and maximum value 0 I am setting. And the zone achievement, all zones should be violated, opposing zone should be there, VOZ. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter the stocks. So currently 7 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup. For short-term income trade, daily income trade. Okay, now let us generate for hourly income trade. In our hourly income trade, we set 75 minutes as a HTF, 15 minutes as a ITF, and 5 minutes as a LTF. So daily time frame, not daily time frame. And what I mean to say, your entry time frame should be 5 minutes. Because this is hourly income trade, the LTF zone, lower time frame zone, should be 5 minutes. And your entry zone should be demand zone because it is bullish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, at 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish. And we don't want pierced zones, I am setting the pierced count as 0. So in this parameter, last parameter in this page, pierced count, at 5 minutes time frame, the minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0, indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 indicates the zone is not pierced. Apart from that, for our entry zone, what is entry zone? Demand zone. The zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. And minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us verify any stocks we get. No stocks are available for bullish trade setup. Now let us check the bearish trade setup for 5 minutes entry time frame. Because it is bearish trade setup, the value should be, entry zone should be supply zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes, now I am selecting bearish. Remaining all are already selected, violated opposing zone, 12, and pierced count already we set in the previous screen. So now let me filter. So currently 7 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for 5 minutes. Always check this search criteria. Here the time frame is 5 minutes. And your entry zone is supply zone. And zone achievement violated opposing zone. Odd enhancer score greater than or equals to 12. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in bullish or bearish trade setup, 5 minutes should be bearish. And the pierced count, the minimum value should be 0, maximum value 0. That means pierced count should be 0. So for all these parameters, we generated this report. All these are all 5 minutes supply zones. Because this is a entry zone is a supply zone, you should focus only on the supply zones. So that means the point you should also understand, currently short-term income market is looking bearish rather than bullish. That's why you got more stocks in the bearish trade setup. In the previous video, you might have seen in daily entry time frame and 75 minutes entry time frame, we have seen more stocks for bullish. But lower time frames, we are seeing more stocks for bearish. So that means short-term point of view, short-term income point of view, market is currently moving in a bearish direction. I'm saying short-term income point of view. But swing traders bullish is still activated, but we don't know. In the coming days that can be changed. That is one possibility. And another possibility, it could be a correction. The correction will end, again bullish will continue. That is also possible. We cannot rule out any possibilities. But what we have to do, according to the trend, we need to take our decisions. If trend is changed, probably that is the place our stop losses will hit. But otherwise, till trend changes, our trades will continue in the direction of the trend. So this is about short-term income trade setup for daily income trade and hourly income trade. Now the last report is buffers, stop buffers. Let us generate the report. Stop buffers we are calculating based on the daily ATR. So this is the one. See, I will keep on scrolling this list down. What you need to do, you need to pause the video. You need to study the parameters. After that, you can continue. I will be giving only few seconds between each pages. when I scroll down. Okay, I'm scrolling down. So this is about stop buffers. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.